Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into YouTube or Discord on your PlayStation 5 Pro. So what we want to do on the home screen here, go up to the top, go to Settings and select this, and scroll down to Users and Accounts. And then go to the section called Link Services and go to the right. And we can see Discord under here, also YouTube. Just simply select it, and then you should be able to link your account, and you can do this with the code on the right, otherwise scan the QR code on the left. Or what you could do is go to use browser and you can sign in manually with the email address and password right here. And then you should be good to go. And everything should be linked up to your PlayStation 5 Pro now. So you can simply press the game base button and then go to this and you can join a Discord through the party. Otherwise, you can just go directly to YouTube when you're sharing content or streaming. So it's very easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.